Hi, it's Billy Tarasio from Modern Law. Hope you are hanging in there on this Tuesday. This is the first week that my children have had online school, and I have needed to balance having kiddos who need to be taught or at least monitored and managed, and also running a business in this near lockdown state. But I've got some updates for you. Earlier in the week, the presiding judge for the family court issued an order that uh, all court hearings were to be done telephonically wherever possible. It was not an order, and what began happening was that some judges were canceling hearings, vacating hearings, not rescheduling them. Others weren't saying anything and still wanted to move forward with in-person hearings. And there was general chaos from the lawyers who just didn't know what to tell their clients. On any given day, we had no idea. I had one lawyer who was sick and she had a cough, and she was supposed to go to trial and represent someone. And she knew that once she got to court, she would be, nobody would want her there because she was coughing. She hasn't been in our office in weeks. But then last night, the family law presiding judge issued a new order mandating that all hearings be done telephonically or via video, and the courthouse is essentially closed to the public. The We have some questions about filing. So right now, there are certain documents that can be e-filed and certain documents that cannot. And if they cannot be e-filed and we have to take them there, then will we be able to file since it's supposed to be closed to the public? We're still working out some details. There is an exception, and that exception is for emergency family law issues. So domestic violence or any sort of situation where your children are in danger of immediate or irreparable harm, you can go get an emergency order of protections. Those sorts of things are still open, and we can still get things through there. Also, you can still get an uncontested divorce. We can still settle your case. We can still wrap things up. We just can't get in front of a judge in person. Now, the other thing that happened yesterday that's very interesting is the governor of Arizona, Doug Ducey, issued an order stating what counted as essential services. And that's all this order said. It didn't say non-essential services are being closed, but we can, I guess, surmise that the only reason to define what equals an essential service is to make sure that those businesses aren't closed. Now, as more and more states go under lockdown in around the country, it certainly is a possibility that Arizona will follow suit. But we know that at least law firms will not be shut down because Doug Ducey included lawyers and legal services as an essential service business. So we will not be shut down. We will still be open for business. We are accessible via video like this or phone, and we're taking in-office appointments very sparingly and very rarely. If the state goes on lockdown, then we probably won't be able to see you in person. But we've got a lot of technology we can use like this, and we can walk you through exactly how you can access your attorney, have a strategy session, or come up with a game plan, especially if you are in one of these emergency situations. We will still be able to get you an order. So be safe, be well, don't go crazy, take care of yourself. Talk to you soon.